how to open Piggyvest on Android phone, or how to open Piggyvest account. So all you just need to do after downloading your Piggyvest account, then you're gonna see a page like this. You can see build your savings with ease and discipline. You can see another slide right here. You can see invest with ease in verified opportunities. You can also see another slide, lock fund you don't want to touch. You can see another slide, for rent, vacation abroad, by fees. You can set up multiple savings inside the platform. So the next thing you're gonna do is just to click on create an account. So I already have an account. I just want to walk you through on this page right here. So all you just need to do, provide your first name and last name on this first box right there. Then the next section is to provide a referral option, or enter a referral option. It's actually optional, so you can use our referral code in the description of this video, or you can use the link in the description of this video to download the Piggyvest app. So we're gonna appreciate that. So once you do that, then click on create free account. This will definitely pop up. So just like say I input my name right here, you can see then you can see email. So provide your email right here. Let's say I want to provide my email. Then scroll down, you can provide your phone number. So once you do that, let me put in a phone number right here. So once you put in phone number, input your password. So once you do that, let me just input a random password, random password, for example. So then put that random password again. So I'm gonna copy this. So I'm just using this as an example. So copy, then put the password again right here. Sorry, put the password right here, then scroll all the way down. Then for the referral, you can use our referral code in the description of this video, or you can see the referral code on the screen. So once you do that, just click on create free account. Then your account will be created, or your Piggyvest account will be created without any issue. So you can also follow our other videos, because we have a lot of Piggyvest videos on how to content. Thank you.